Hi all, welcome to Yuva Media Tech channel. Today we are going to see unboxing of the OnePlus watch which was launched on 24th March. So like every one of us, we were also very excitedly waiting for the sale to begin, and it began day before yesterday. We got it delivered the next day itself. So actually we didn't open it because the COVID cases are high, and we had sanitized and kept it aside for a day. You could see the sanitizing marks. So, like a small advice from our channel, we request everyone to wear mask while stepping out of your house, and please maintain the 6 feet distance. Also, please sanitize your hands, wash your hands, keep yourself safe. Okay, now let's see. I actually ordered for the midnight black color. It cost around 15,000, but I had a red cable offer which gave me it for 14,300. Let me open this. I'm removing only the bill, like I always have a habit of preserving the bill for future use. So this is the bill. Okay, we are now going to open. The sale was actually really exciting. It started exactly at 9 a.m. and it was only for a few minutes. By the time we book, it was just when I finished my booking, it just showed me 5 minutes left for the next order to. We have a special delivery for you. The OnePlus, the new OnePlus, and the whole lot of spend too. Okay, this is the size of the watch. Okay, let me open the box. Okay, I don't think this is the opening. Okay, we have an arrow mark here. So it goes like this. Very smart opening. If you Wow, the weighted OnePlus watch finally here. Let me clear my table. Okay, I had ordered for the midnight black, and with it is made in China in April 21. the specifications are not given here, it's just having the box items. So we will try opening it. How do we open? Okay, the same way. I'm super excited to see the look. Wow. Super classy. The black color is really awesome. They have also given a screen card, but I think we should use another one. And here's the button which has the OnePlus logo in it. Just double tap. Let's see what else is inside. You can even maintain the watch in the same box. It has a proper place for it. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is a user manual. And we've got the red label card. I mean the red cable card. We have the manual and the warranty card. So next comes, I guess it's a charging wire. Wow, yes. It has the same look like Apple. I'm going to open this. The cable is really long. And here we again have the OnePlus symbol here. Cool. I think that's the box product. And coming to the watch strap, it's really nice. I think this is a silicone strap, so if you wear it in your hand you don't get any infections, or it's really smooth in hand. So this is how you tie it. We'll also be updating the specifications in the next week video, so please do subscribe our channel for the following videos, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.